The site here is extraordinary. It's a triangular piece of land, and it looks straight over the Sound back to Sweden, where the business was founded by our client, Frederick Paulson's parents.
We wanted a building that was not tall and high-rise, so that's why we used the extremities of the site to go as far as we can to the edges to keep the building low and also maximize its footprint to keep the number of floors to a minimum.
There's lots of layering about how the building starts to reveal itself internally for the people working in these very serious, almost silent patenting, research and study spaces, contrasting with the laboratories. And they also have direct access to the outside. So the spaces are open and active all the way around those edges. And I think it gives a great dynamic to the workplace. The restaurant, cafe space where they congregate, it's very Scandinavian. It's about this business, and it's about the character and life and the way that their staff are treated and the way that they socialize with one another. And we brought that straight into the design. The client was absolutely clear. He was very happy with the idea. People would come straight into it. Inviting our clients into that is exactly the welcome that they should receive.
What that's enabled us to achieve is then a variety of different informal and formal meeting spaces, collaboration spaces that we make use of this atrium space. And the atrium is really the heart of the building. You can see it steps back as it goes to the top. That's to allow more daylight to come in. But also creates these ledges which allow a variety of different uses and really kind of add the life and richness to the atrium space.
And because we have these regulations about permanent workspaces and need to be in daylight, that's often the case. So I think this is much better that you have the meeting spaces also with great views and a lot of daylight.
The materials that we chose for the building are incredibly important. They had to be connected locally, regionally, and I think it was also their real contribution to the feeling and the form of the internal spaces.
Taken to this extent of design where you really, as you say, it's really furniture. I think it's a nice balance of big surfaces and quite approach.
Don't forget the sustainability and the very low carbon, very low carbon footprint that this material offers.
This building, it's a theatre. It's the stage set for them, for their company, and how they're going to use it. They're going to write the drama. They're going to write the stories that will be told here. It's been a really an extraordinary project, and I think one that we're really, really proud to have played our part in.